Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous two videos, I showed you how you can bulk schedule emails to multiple student emails if you're running an online session based on the schedule date, based on the session, and based on the training agenda. And I also showed you how you can delete schedules in multiple combination between the session and recipient email. Today, what we'll do is we will probably say if you want to reschedule the session. So if you see here, the session has been scheduled originally for 26 June. Say we want to reschedule to 27 June. And similarly, multiple combination, whichever way you want. If you want to do it for session, for one recipient, or all session, all recipient, or one session and multiple recipient, it works for all of them. Yep. So before we get started, what I'll do is I'll delete all the schedules. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll schedule it again, okay, based on the schedule date. Yeah. So I'll go click here. If you notice, okay, all the emails has been scheduled. If I go to my Outlook, you can see all the emails has been scheduled. So as an example, okay, if you go for this particular session, okay, so it's been originally scheduled for 26/6. So that is based on this date here. And this has been scheduled for second session is for 3rd July. The third session is for 10th July. So likewise, if you look at those, second session for 3rd July. Yep. And third session for 10th July. Yeah. So now let's say I want to reschedule for all the people, all the sessions. Okay. I want to reschedule it by this dates. Yeah. I want to move the schedule date to this, for this session to this, and for this session to this. I want to do it for all the recipient. It's the same logic here. So I just click here. So it says schedule email matching criteria have been rescheduled. So now if I go back to here, so say, let's say the same email I open, go check the schedule date. It's been updated to 11th. So session 3 is 11th July. So initially this is 11th July, yeah, the new schedule date. But initially it was 10th July. So likewise, it should have rescheduled for all the others. Let's look at another participant, like the recipient, probably. Let's look at this. Okay, let's say schedule 1 for this one. So go here. So it has been updated to 27. Initially it was 26, the session 1. So this is how you can utilize this particular Excel based tool to schedule on bulk, to delete on bulk, and to reschedule on bulk. I'm sure if I'm going to take an on training lesson for a group of people, this will be a very useful tool for me. So similarly, if anyone is doing a similar kind of service, okay, it'll be very useful for you too. If you guys are interested to try this out, okay, so I've given the link below in the description. You can go ahead and download the file and just try it for yourself. Yeah. Thanks a lot for listening. Okay, I'll come up with another video very soon. Yeah. Thanks guys. Have a good day.